Kuningi okwenzekayo emhlabeni wethu esiphila kuwona okumele ukuthi sibe aware ngakho. Kunama-energies amuvayo ngaso sonke isikhathi. Lento isho ukuthi asibe aware ukuthi since thina we are energy beings, lama-energies ayasi-affecta nathi. This past week kube nama-energies afike enza ukuthi imizimba yethu ikhathale kakhulu. Uma uzizwile ukuthi uyacobeka, wazi ukuthi kwenzakalani, uloku ulele, uyakhathala, nasemathanjeni kunzima, awuwedwa, baningi abantu abakuzwile lokho. Lama-shift lawo enzekayo a-affecta wonke umuntu. And ungeke usho ukuthi when you are an energy being nawe ngeke izik-affecte lento. Futhi uma uxakekile ukuthi kwenzakalani, you need to understand ukuthi you are not alone. Some of these energies zenziwa ama-planetary movements nama-shift akhona kwi-frequency yomhlaba wonke. And njengoba ama-planets emuva ashintsha izinto ey'ningi ey'mpilweni zethu. Khona manje sibhekene noJupiter ozongena kwi-sign yeGemini ngomhla ka-14 kaMeyi. Uma efika uzofika ne-expansion enkulu. uJupiter is a very big planet. Uya-expanda yonke into la efika khona. Whatever you are feeling, whatever you're going through, uzofika i-expand leyo nto, which is why it's important to be mindful of your feelings and emotions, how you channel your energies and what you concentrate on. Nge-energy yakho, you need to be mindful of it, because if you are negative, yena uzokhulisa leyo nto negative, ma positive uzokhulisa leyo nto. So ama-intentions akho you must always be aware ngawo. Ama-planets ayamuva angene kuma-zodiac signs. The time emove affect abantu baleyo zodiac sign angene kuyona kakhulu, and then bese kuyadependa ukuthi amile kweyiphi position ne-aspect yokuthi akweyiphi house yalowo muntu. But these things, they really affect us, and kumele siqale sisifundise ngazo ukuze masinenkinga sithi siyabheka siyalunguza ukuthi konakelephi, sibuke wonke lama-options, because there could be a lot of things that are wrong ezenza ukuthi zisi-affecte emhlabeni. Uma unenkinga zibuke zonke izinto ezingaku-affecta, because like I'm saying ukuthi kade umuntu ekhathele uzizwa ngathi amathamba wavuma, ulele phansi kungavumi. It's something ebifilwa yiwona wonke umuntu, akuyona eyakho wedwa. Ama-shift akhona emhlabeni. Lento yokuthi umhlaba uyaphakama uzama ukunyukela kuma-dimensions aphakeme kunalesi kuyona njengamanje le 3D. Also ihambisana nama-chakras wethu leyo nto yokuthi you must always make sure ukuthi ama-chakras akho are properly aligned, so that uma kwenzeka izinto ey'njalo i-energy flow inyuke kahle from your root chakra inyukele phezulu kwi-crown chakra and beyond. Kuningi okusi-affectayo. Njengoba uJupiter ezongena kwi-Gemini uzobe egijima kakhulu, because normally ujwayele ukuhamba for the whole year ahlale kuleyo sign, but this time bathi kuzoba it's like 5 to 6 months. And nakhona uzongena ngoMeyi aphume ngo-October aye ku-Cancer, and then uzobe esekwi-retrograde ke after that ebuyela futhi ku-Gemini. So lezi zinto lezi ngeke zingasi-affect. Ama-planets makhulu kakhulu kodwa thina sibancane, and maye muva ngama-energy awo, obviously sizoluzwa nathi ushintsho. Kumele ukuthi wena-ke ukwazi ukuthi uma ingenile leyo planet kwi-sign yakho, be careful ukuthi unga-overreact, unga-misdirect-ke futhi i-reaction yakho ey'ntweni ezi-wrong, wena iy'tshela ukuthi uguliswa yilokhu kanti uguliswa yilokhu. Because if you go down a wrong route, I mean it's going to end nowhere, izoze ikudistracte futhi. AbakaGemini ba-adviswa kakhulu ukuthi babe mindful of these energies. Umuntu angabi on the edge, azame ukuthi a-relaxe, enze ama-breathwork, a-meditate, ehlise umoya and keep calm all the time, especially umuntu osemsebenzini. Ungaxabani nabantu, ungaxabani neboss yakho. Take time to think, take time to, keep yourself calm ngaso sonke isikhathi, because izinto ey'fana nalezi ziyadlula. Wena iba on point with your feelings and emotions, iba nama-intentions akho ukuthi ufuna usuku lakho lihambe kanjani every day. Kusanjalo-ke futhi sisakhuluma ngayo iGemini ikakhulukazi, ngomhla ka-12 on Monday kune-full moon. I-full moon lena izobe iku-Scorpio. uGemini izom-affecta kakhulu naye, which is why it's important ukuthi abe mindful, because on top of uJupiter lo ozongena ngomhla ka-14, already vele sesiyawufila uJupiter ukuthi uyeza, plus nale timeline shift eke yenzeka yaphakamisa amandla yomhlaba yas-affecta sonke. Zonke lezi zinto under u-sign of uGemini zizodinga ukuthi umuntu abe aware of all of those things. I-full moon lezobe iku-Scorpio izobe izo-uproota izinto ey'fihlakele, izobe izokhipha ama-secrets, izobe futhi izokufoselela wena ukuthi ubhekane nama-challenges okade mhlawumbe wabeka eceleni nezimo ey'thize. Izobe ikufoselela ukuthi wenze transformation whether you like it or not. So be careful of izinto ey'fana nalezo ezizobe zihambisana nale full moon ezobe iku-Scorpio. Also i-full moon yaka-Scorpio izobe ithintana kakhulu nezinto ze-passion because izobe ithinta no-Venus. Wena-ke be careful ukuthi uyiphila kanjani impilo yakho around that time. Ungathi unama-problems bese uya-adda on top of those problems because wena mhlambe ube reckless in the way oyiphethe ngayo. Because whether you like it or not, ayas-affecta lama-planets, and zonke izinto ezenzeka ey'mpilweni zethu zisuke ziqale kulama-energies amakhulu, ama-energies e-universe nama-planets. Sigcine sifika la kuwena isikwenza ukuthi uthathe i-decision wenze something kanti awunakile wena ukuthi i-planetary arrangement yakho imi kanjani ngaleso sikhathi. Try and educate yourself and be aware all the time ukuthi wena ithini zodiac sign yakho, ithini i-birth chart yakho, ithini i-planetary movement of the time le current manje, so that uzokwazi ukuthi iy'nkinga noma okuhle obhekene nako kwenziwa kanti lama energies e-universe as-affectayo ngaso sonke isikhathi. Like I always say ukuthi if we are looking at trying to solve our problems ethu sigcina sesi-limited when it comes to ama-options, ama-solutions, kanti maningi ama-options out there. Nezinto ezisidalela ama-problems ziningi, kumele sizibuke zonke, singabuki into eyodwa kuphela, because le problem yakho nayo njengamanje ayisuki lana. It doesn't matter what it is, idalwe ukuthi kunezinye izinto ey'nkulu ezisi-affectayo nge-energy yazo kwi-universe lesiphila kuyona.